Hey, beautiful people. This is Allison, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own body sugar scrub at home. It is super simple, affordable, and your skin will love you for it. So let's get started. Here are all the ingredients that I'm using in the sugar scrub. And oh, by the way, it is very, very important when you're making your sugar scrub, you want to store it in a container with a lid that's you can secure, or it's a tight lid. This will help prevent any type of moisture from getting inside of the sugar scrub. Since we're not using, or you won't be using, any preservatives, you want to make sure that no water at all is you can't keep it in the shower. You want to prevent water from getting into the container, to prevent any type of mold and mildew from building up in the scrub, because we're not using any preservatives in the scrub. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. In the description of the video, I will provide you with a list of all the ingredients that I'm using in the scrub, along with some of the benefits, the health benefits of each ingredient. Again, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.